The urinary system, also known as the renal system, is a vital part of the human body responsible for the production, storage, and elimination of urine. Its primary organs are the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. Here's an overview of the components and functions of the urinary system. Kidneys. The kidneys are bean-shaped organs located on either side of the spine, just below the rib cage. They play a crucial role in urine formation. The kidneys filter waste products, excess water, and other substances from the blood, reabsorb necessary substances, and produce urine. Ureters. The ureters are narrow tubes that connect the kidneys to the bladder. They transport urine from the kidneys to the bladder through peristaltic contractions, which help move urine along. The bladder is a muscular organ located in the lower abdomen. Its primary function is to store urine until it is voluntarily released during urination. The bladder expands as it fills with urine and contracts to expel urine through the urethra. Urethra. The urethra is a tube that carries urine from the bladder to the exterior of the body. In males, the urethra also serves as a passage for semen during ejaculation. Urine is produced in the human body through a process called urine formation, which involves several steps in the kidneys. Here's a simplified explanation of how urine is produced. Filtration. Blood enters the kidneys through the renal arteries. Inside the kidneys, there are millions of tiny filtering units called nephrons. Each nephron consists of a glomerulus and a tubule. Blood is initially filtered in the glomerulus, where waste products, excess water, and other substances are separated from the blood and enter the tubule. Reabsorption. As the filtered fluid moves along the tubules, essential substances like water, glucose, amino acids, and certain ions are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. This reabsorption process ensures that the body retains necessary substances. Secretion. In addition to filtration and reabsorption, the tubules also secrete certain substances into the filtrate. This secretion helps eliminate additional waste products and regulates the balance of certain ions in the body. Concentration. The filtrate, now called urine, continues to move through the tubules. In the final part of the tubules, known as the collecting ducts, water and other substances can be further reabsorbed or excreted, depending on the body's needs. This step helps concentrate the urine and adjust its composition. Storage and elimination. Once urine is formed, it travels from the kidneys to the bladder through tubes called ureters. The bladder stores urine until a person feels the urge to urinate. When the bladder is emptied during urination, the urine passes through the urethra and exits the body.